Many Google Sheets users spend too much time on simple tasks. This is largely because they don't know some of the most helpful Google Sheets formulas. Formulas are there to make your life easier, expedite your work, and take out human error. Let's look at 5 of the most helpful formulas in Google Sheets that are designed to save you time. Today. It feels like we catch ourselves asking, what's today's date, every single day. In Sheets, it becomes an even bigger issue. Tracking deadlines and counting down dates requires a daily update. That is, unless you use the today function. After putting it in a cell, you're left with today's date. It updates every day and doesn't need you to do anything. Sum. One of our favorite functions is the sum function. It adds together all the quantities within a selected range. A sum is just a bunch of numbers added together. For example, the sum of 2, 3, and 4 is 9. You can use sum to add a whole column together. As you keep adding new rows, the sum function will automatically update and add the new item. It can be used for positive, negative, or zero value numbers. Want to make a quick budget spreadsheet? Sum will be your best friend. Trim. Whenever blocks of text are copied and pasted from other sources, formatting becomes a nightmare. Often, you'll have unwanted spaces that ruin the overall format. You can spend a bunch of time manually deleting every space, or you can use the trim command in Google Sheets. This command reduces the number of spaces in a message and leaves you with only one space between each word. This could be very helpful for sheets that are set up to accept written responses from users. It removes the human error of double spacing by accident and results in a document that looks really clean. Google Translate. Sheets can also expedite your translations. If you have a column of phrases in the language you know, you can create multiple columns of translated phrases in different languages. For example, we can translate common phrases from English to Spanish, French, and Japanese in a single document. This can be very helpful if you have an international team who needs to understand the same document. This formula is powered by the Google Translation Service. You can also use this formula to find out what language a certain text is by copying and pasting it into Sheets. You can keep the source language as auto and Sheets will determine what language it is, then translates it into the selected language you can understand. Transpose. Did you accidentally swap the rows and columns of your sheet when you were first making it? Or maybe a client sent you over data with the same mistake. Whatever the case, you can try the transpose command to fix it. Here's how it works. The rows and columns are flipped. The corresponding data in the table is also changed to ensure it's in the correct place after the flip occurs. As the old data is changed, the transpose tables also update and change. Pretty neat tricks, right? If you want 5 more time-saving Sheets formulas, check out the article linked in the description below. See you next time.